There's a secret hack to affiliate marketing that the gurus don't want to tell you about. You're using STUDADS and CLICKBANK, and it'll save you so much money in the long run, and it's a much easier method. Let's go. Alright, so first things first. Obviously, we're going to come over here to clickbank.com, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our link, we're going to get our product, and I always recommend health, wealth, and relationships. In case you're new to the channel, always health, wealth, and relationships, because they're the evergreen markets, and you can really build a business off those niches. All right, so since I'm in wealth, I went right over here to e-business and e-marketing. I clicked the drop down box and I hit gravity so that I can see what's been selling the most lately. I don't want to try to move something that's not proven. I don't understand why gurus always tell you to go for the stuff that's unsaturated. I'm not afraid of saturation. I think that means that this product is proven and is moving like hotcakes. That's what I want to sell. So they got one here that you can see it's #1. It's got a gravity of about 181. That's pretty good. That's about 181 affiliates who have sold this in the last, I believe, 30 to 60 days or something like that. So let's take a look at the sales page just to get an idea of what we're looking at. So as you can see, the sales page is pretty basic. It's not very big. It's just a video sales letter with the first name and email address, you know, start here, that kind of stuff. So pretty simple. They're pretty much just getting people to opt into the email list and then probably pitch them on the other side. But this is a recurring commission product, so this is also really good for that. It's moving very well. It's selling very quickly. So this is something we want to look at. So now that we've seen what the customer sees, let's see what we see on the back end. Here is the JV page. Here you'll see affiliate page, where they will actually show you your own details and how they can help you sell this product. So if you watch this video here, this guy is going to tell you what the product is, how it works, what you stand to make, and what are the best ways to promote it. That's a good product. That's the mark of a good product to me on ClickBank, is when the company gives you as much help as possible to sell the product. So time and time again, these are the kind of products that I always preach to people. These are the ones that you want to sell on ClickBank, the ones that provide you with the most assistance, especially if you're a beginner. So now we're in the back office of my ClickFunnels account. This is the page builder that I use and the one that I recommend to everybody. We're going to go ahead and create new funnel, and the one that I would choose for a ClickBank campaign is collect emails. So as you can see, it automatically created a funnel for us. We're going to go in here and edit this just a little bit, but I like to keep it very, very simple. Just a squeeze page, a bridge page, and then you link out to the offer. That's it. We don't need some big complicated funnel. Simplicity is what's going to get you the money. You want simple. You don't want to waste customers' time and give them all this other stuff. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click edit page because we want this squeeze page to look a little bit different than this, right? So what I always do is I always change the squeeze page that I'm designing to make it match what the sales page looks like of the product. That way, when someone gets to the sales page eventually, they're not confused and they don't feel like they've gone somewhere completely off the rails. They feel like they're still on the same path. Remember, a confused mind will always say no. So don't confuse your leads. Don't confuse people coming through your funnels. So as we can see here, the background is white mainly. So we're going to change my background to white. All we have to do is come up here to settings, go to background, and we're going to change the color. Bam, the background is white, just like that. Now we can also see that this box right here is this bluish kind of color. We want to make our opt-in box this blue kind of color as well. So instead of guessing and trying to get it just about right, we actually have this Chrome extension called Color Pick Eyedropper. It's a free Chrome extension. All it does is you click on it, it turns your cursor into this little arrow, you click on an area, and it literally gives you the color code of that exact color. So I'll go ahead and I'll right click and I'll copy. And now we can see our box here, and we're going to go ahead and I think I'm going to change this box's color to that exact color from the sales page so that it matches a little bit, right? So you can see that I actually changed the color to the color that I copied from Color Pick Eyedropper. That's exactly the same color now. So some of this other text looks crazy, so we're just going to speed through and I'm going to try to make it match this page as much as possible. And that's it. It took, what, 5 minutes to design that entire squeeze page. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Now, if you want, you can even put the logo here on the page. But I typically don't because I want later on for the product to be revealed. All you want on the squeeze page is just enough information for them to want to put their email address in. That's it. Now on the thank you page, or what I like to call the bridge page, you're going to be doing a lot of the same thing. I just took a basic template out here, but what you want to do is basically the same things that you were doing on the squeeze page, trying to make it match what the sales page eventually is going to look like. I always recommend having a video here, okay, having a video of yourself, not something super long or super complicated, just something basic where you're like, hi, my name is Joel. This is my story, and this is how this particular product can help me, well, has helped me and can help you. This is what the product does for you. This is the ways that it could benefit you and your business, how you can make money now, da-da-da. Have a timer. Like, I have this limited time offer. There's great bonuses down below. So have these places down here where you can list bonuses. Now, bonuses can be anything. They can be other videos. Okay, they can be videos you have on your YouTube channel. Set them to unlisted so that only your customers can actually access these bonuses. PDFs, right? They can be like ebooks, they can be cheat sheets, they can be tips and tricks, access to your Facebook group. They can be all kinds of different things. So be creative. All your bonuses really are is think about what the product does and what other problems buying that product will create. Every product on planet Earth creates new problems when you buy the product. A product solves a problem, but it also creates new problems. So think about all the different ways that your customer is going to need help after they've bought the product. Maybe the product doesn't tell them how to exactly get traffic, okay, because I'm pretty sure this is some type of affiliate automation product. All right, so maybe they need traffic help. So make a few YouTube videos about how they can get traffic. Maybe they need assistance setting up the product, so give them an instructional video. Maybe they need how to market and all this other stuff like how-tos and tips and tricks, so give them a PDF about that, okay? Make sure you list all your bonuses and how they can help the person who is buying this product, and give your bonuses a value. Put a price next to them. This is worth $97. This is worth $27. And tell them you're getting this for free today if you buy this product through my link. Okay? Simple as that. If they don't purchase, that's fine. We got their information and we got their Facebook pixel, which we're going to go get right now. So what the Facebook pixel actually is just a line of code that you plug into a website or a web page that when someone lands on that page, Facebook actually collects their information for the future. So when you choose to run ads on Facebook, Facebook then knows much more about what type of people are your customers, and therefore your ads will be much cheaper because you're specifically targeting the people that have either met you before or the types of people that have met you before, because Facebook can actually figure out who are like these people, and you'll be targeting people much better, and your return on your investment will be much higher. So what we do is we go up here to this drop down box, and we're going to go to manage ads. I go to this top menu here, hit Facebook ads, go to events manager. It's going to bring you to this next page where it tells you all the data from your Facebook pixel. I'm going to click my Facebook pixel right here. Okay, this is where you would go. And you'd go over here to this top right part where it says setup, and it's going to be a drop down menu that says install pixel. Okay, you're going to go down here to where it says manually add pixel code to the website. It's going to light up blue right here. It says copy to clipboard. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy it. I'm going to come back to my ClickFunnels account. You go to settings. All we do is we go here where it says head tracking code. And we already copied it, so we paste it in. Bam! Our Facebook pixel is now tied into our funnel. Now when someone lands on that squeeze page, bridge page, whatever, Facebook is collecting that person's information as long as they're logged into Facebook at the same time. And most people are always logged into Facebook, right? Who hits log out on Facebook? People are always logged in. So all we would do is hit save and update settings, and there you go. When someone comes through this funnel, and this is the real benefit of doing it this way. You're getting fractions of a penny leads, okay? You're gathering data. Who are your customers? So even if you don't keep on advertising after this, you at least get a very good idea of what kind of people are your customers. Where are they from? How much money do they make? What kind of groups do they like? What kind of pages do they like? Facebook gathers all this information. What is their age? What is their gender? What is their occupation? You get to have a really good idea of what kind of people really like this product and these types of products, and therefore you can change all of your marketing to cater towards those types of people. This is the long game, okay? And this is how you develop a really strong business in affiliate marketing, okay? This is how you take ClickBank as a starting point to make some money to become a super affiliate someday, because you have the added benefit of understanding your customers and their needs. So the platform that we're going to be using this time, instead of eLevers, there's another very cheap platform that I've found where you can advertise on this platform, and it costs literally fractions of a penny. Very, very cheap ads, and it works almost the same as eLevers does, where it's native ads. So they're putting your ads in places online where those types of people tend to congregate, okay? So it pretty much puts your ads on other people's blogs, on news sites that get a bunch of traffic. So people that you're targeting will start seeing your ads all over the place. But thanks to the Facebook Pixel, you'll be able to retarget these people and capture them even if they don't opt into your email list. So you're going to click up here and go to advertiser sign up. You're going to fill out all this information. You're going to create your first ad. So then you'll use your funnel to run this ad, and you'll collect information in your sleep, okay? Now you'll get some sales, but you won't get a whole bunch. What you're going to be concentrating on is the long game. How do you retarget them through more ads? How do you write emails and entice them to come back to the offer, okay? Those are the things that you need to focus on, is the long-term game. Most people don't buy on the first time through a funnel. They don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, and that's why it's so important to show your face on that bridge page. Because people tend to trust somebody that they see a lot over time. Have you ever gotten a new job and immediately you're standoffish, right? You don't know anybody, so you don't really want to talk to anybody. But once you start working there for a long time, and you start seeing the same faces every day, you start sparking conversations, you start to get to know people, and eventually your coworkers actually become really good friends. But they weren't like that in the beginning, right? And that's how you have to think of your ads, is the more people see your face, the more they start to congregate around you. You invite them to your Facebook group, you show them some of your YouTube videos, they get more used to seeing you more often, and therefore they trust you and they trust anything that you recommend. So one of my students was concerned about fake traffic, and this is how you would solve that problem. Now, it's a link tracking software. There's many of them out there. I use Marketer Magic. There's also Click Magic. I can't even name all the different ones out there. They're basically link shorteners, and they do a ton of work as far as tracking links and telling you whether or not the traffic is fake, whether it's bots and things like that. So I use Marketer Magic. All I would do is come down here, go to Mini Me, which is basically your links, your shortened links. And as you can see, my retargeting links is up to 126 clicks. Okay, so that means that I'm using the Facebook Pixel inside my own links to capture people's information, and at the same time, Marketer Magic is telling me whether these people are bots, whether they're fake traffic, whether it, you know, all these different things, so that I know if I'm wasting money or if I'm really making money, all that other good stuff. So get yourself a program like Marketer Magic, Click Magic, if you're concerned about having fake traffic and wasting money. Those are the things that you need to do. I'm going to have a link in the description below for all the tools that you'll need to make this happen. I'm going to have a link to STUDADS. I'm going to have a link for your free trial of ClickFunnels. I'm going to have a link for your free trial of Marketer Magic. So you can give this stuff a try for a few days. I think it's 2 weeks or something like that. And you can see how it works out for you. You can see how you can collect information and really grow and scale your business from here. And it's very, very powerful. It's something that I use to get started, and it's something that I recommend for a lot of beginners to do. Like this video was actually a sequel to a video that I did previously about another secret ClickBank trick. And you can watch that video right here, right now. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to amplify your affiliate marketing business. If you got value from this video, make sure you smash that like button. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, you make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.